Equity peaks in most of the portfolios earlier this week. Some chop the last 2 days have us in a little bit of a drawdown from those equity peaks. Cobra 3, even the S&P. I like these entries, minus 625 on the ES, minus 625 on the NQ. Some of our favorite strategies, just not a favorable environment. Straight up environment. This looks like a good rollover entry. Market was up, looked like it was going to roll over and accelerate. Profit take, it's due for that. It won't do that every time it looks like it's going to do that. It just boom, it just rallies again. Every little sell-off gets pushed higher. So interesting price action as we continue to see the bulls just push the market higher and higher. And a lot of our strategies are taking advantage of that trend. Today was a bit choppy though, and so we had some losses. And so minus 625 in the Cobra 3s. We have plus 175 in Gap Fill Master, taking the long trade on that, buying that dip at the open, narrow range, mirror, E-mini S&P, actually tick count trend 2, 1 minute, minus 212.50, had some good shorts early, late, some shorts that were down, minus 212.50 on the day, mirror plus 675, stayed with this long trade all day, and night trader got stopped out near the lows, frustrating trade. It was really the right direction, but this pullback, this is what I'm talking about. We keep seeing these, you see these pullbacks, the market's going to roll over and give us a due correction, and it doesn't follow through, it rallies. But 60-minute breakout short did catch some of that action. We'll go over that in a minute. And we had take count trend 2 E-mini S&P 5-minute down on the day, minus 537.50, and adaptive moving average minus 600, and gap continuation, minus 325. Been one of our top strategies on the month. Small loss there. 60-minute breakout, plus 400. Open position over the weekend long on the ES. All strategy access 2, 3 trades here. SR CounterTrend 2, E-mini NASDAQ, plus 775. QS3, plus 875. And 60-minute breakout, minus 1,025. All strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4, minus 131.75. Asia Gold 4, minus 525. Let's see, we had soybeans day trader 3, minus 112.50. All strategy access 4, Cobra Crude, nice trade, got out at just the right time, plus 665. SR CounterTrend 3, natural gas, minus 335. Cobra Gold, plus 575. All strategy access 5. No trades. All strategy access 6. We had, here's that Cobra 3. This is not part of the portfolio, but we track it. And then we have no ES after hours, no gap fill in reverse, but we had the 60-minute breakout short. Perfect trade, capturing that short. This one has struggled, though. It's down. It's one of our worst performing strategies recently with all the head fakes that we've seen in this market. Looks like a short trade reverses to the long, gets stopped out. Looks like a short trade reverses to the long, gets stopped out. And so a lot of those, but yet last night captured it on this, and so we keep it in here for diversity. That's a 60-minute breakout short trade. There's the 1-minute version of that trade. Here is the short-only version of that strategy. It doesn't reverse to long. And so all strategy access, all gap continuation 2019 down on the day. Tick fader, it did not trade today. Rare that this doesn't trade. I think it's traded every day since we released it. And what's ironic, the dynamic tick pullback this is the first day it's traded since we released it. This is the Federal Reserve money printing system. How appropriate to see that at all-time highs, the market at all-time highs, and dynamic tick pullback taking this trade into the close on a Friday. We see the tick count trend indicator at the bottom. White means neutral, red means bearish, blue means bullish, and you know, the later part of the week since Wednesday afternoon, the reds have led the blues most of the time. The neutrals are leading the way. It's really a neutral market, which actually favors the bulls. Neutral ticks tend to favor the bulls in low volatility, but overall extreme bearish ticks lead the extreme bullish ticks. Second half of the week, but the market is up near highs, closing near highs, trading near highs on the futures today. 3,400 psychological resistance level, and so we see that. What will happen on Sunday night? I don't know. It seems like every time the market opens, it just moves higher. So I think it will tend to think that it will do that until it doesn't, And we talked earlier about in our video about how could be near a top time-wise, but price-wise that can take some time. Sometimes those topping patterns can go parabolic, and you don't know where the end of the parabolic move is. But it's just pretty extreme, the divergence that we see both in the market internals and the economy. It's as if the market is being treated like a safe haven for money. If you want a safe place for your money, put it in a tech stock, and that seems to be the mindset of the market. Only place for yield, but if the market crashes, you're in a situation where you would rather have your money back than a return on your money, as the saying goes. So have a good weekend. These are the trades on August 21st, 2020.